How to back up WhatsApp messages on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. Log into your account, then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings. In Settings, click on Chats. In Chats, scroll down and click on Chat Backup. In Chat Backup, simply click on Backup at the top and back up all your messages. After you've backed up, simply go back from the WhatsApp and uninstall the app. After you've uninstalled the app, open Play Store and search WhatsApp and install the app again. After it's installed, simply open the app. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. At the bottom, click on Agree and Continue. Then add your country code, number, and then press on Next. Press on Continue in here. After that, this is the important part. Make sure Restore a backup. Simply click on Continue. After that, your account will be opened and all your messages will be restored. This is how to back up WhatsApp messages on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more, got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.